ខ្ញុំនិយាយចេញពីចិត្តតែម្ដងអ្នកគ្នារវាង Honor of King ដែលគេ collab គ្នាជាមួយនឹង Nacha Anime នេះគឺពេញចិត្តស្ដោកតែម្ដងអ្នកគ្នាឃើញតែ trailer ប៉ុណ្ណេះក៏ដឹងថាញាក់សាច់ដែរអ្នកគ្នាអើយនិយាយទៅគឺការ collab មួយនេះគឺពិតជាអស្ចារ្យខ្លាំងមែនទែនហើយតួអង្គ Nacha ហ្នឹងគឺគេយកទៅ collab គ្នាជាមួយនឹង Hero Nacha អ្នកគ្នាដែលគ្នាយើងតែងតែហៅថា Nacha អ្នកគ្នាហើយយើងមើលតែ display ទៅក៏ពេញចិត្តដែរអ្នកគ្នាមើលការ design របស់គេចេញមកគឺអូយអែមខ្លាំងមែនទែនឥឡូវយើងទៅមើលពី skill effect វិញអ្នកគ្នាចំពោះ skill effect គឺដូចដែលអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបានឃើញថានេះគឺជា ultimate ណាអ្នកគ្នាញើយអ្នកគ្នាមើលទៅគឺគ្មានពីរទេអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាជាមួយនឹង effect skill នៅក្នុង game ហុកគឺគ្មានពីរហ្មងខ្ញុំហ៊ាននិយាយអញ្ចឹងហ្មងអ្នកគ្នាព្រោះដោយសារតែ game ហុកមួយនេះការ design skin ចេញមកមួយអានេះដូចខ្ញុំនិយាយអញ្ចឹងណាមិនមែនថាបញ្ជូឬក៏លើកជើងទេអ្នកគ្នាអាចមើលខ្លួនឯងបានអ្នកគ្នាជាមួយនឹង effect skill មួយគឺញាក់សាច់ខ្លាំងមែនទែនទាំងពណ៌ទាំង effect អីហ្នឹងគឺលេងមកគឺស៊ីគ្នាខ្លាំងមែនទែនអ្នកគ្នានិយាយទៅគឺ the best តែម្ដងអាហ្នឹងគ្រាន់តែជា skill combo នៃការវាយ basic attack អ្នកគ្នាហើយយើងមើលទៅអូយនិយាយទៅគឺ shoot ខ្លាំងមែនទែនជាមួយនឹង Nacha អ្នកគ្នាមើលអាកងវល់គេខាងក្រោមអីអូយអែមហ្នឹងអ្នកគ្នាអូមានការឈប់ទៀតអូយ Oh my god ជាតិណាអ្នកគ្នាជាតិណាជាមួយនឹង skin collab មួយនេះគឺដកចិត្តមិនរួចទេអ្នកគ្នាអានេះគឺជា skill ទី1របស់គេអ្នកគ្នាចឹងអ្នកដែលលេង Nacha គឺប្រកាសជាដឹងអីជាមួយនឹង hero មួយហ្នឹងយើងមើលទៅអ្នកគ្នាគឺតំណែងខ្លាំងមែនទែនជាមួយនឹង skill អានេះ skill ទី2អ្នកគ្នាអា skill ទី2 skill បវលនេះមើលទៅតំណែងឯអ្នកគ្នាជាមួយនឹង skill effect ណានិយាយទៅគឺស្អាតខ្លាំងមែនទែនអូយកោបតែម្ដងអ្នកគ្នាអើយត្រៀមតលុយទៅអ្នកគ្នាជាមួយនឹង skill effect មួយចេញមកស្អាតណាស់អ្នកគ្នាអើយណែមើល load អេយប៉ុន្តែអាពេល load ហ្នឹងបើសិនជាអាពេល load ហ្នឹងគេ design ឲ្យបាត់នេះអ្នកគ្នាឲ្យបាត់អាផ្កាឈូកអាពេល load ហ្នឹងអ្នកគ្នាអញ្ចឹងអាពេលដែលNacha ប្រើ ultimate ណាអ្នកគ្នាសង្កេតមើលលើតួអង្គគឺដូរប្រែក្រៃនិយាយមិនចេញសោះអាប្រែកាយអ្នកគ្នាចេញពីមនុស្សទូចទៅមនុស្សធំណាហើយយើងមើលទៅនឹងឯងអូយ Holy shit man មកអ្នកគ្នាអើយជាមួយនឹង skill នេះហើយអា skill ជិះនេះគឺ skill ទី3អ្នកគ្នាមើលអូយនិយាយមែនស្អាតកប់តែម្ដងជាមួយនឹង skin មួយនេះអ្នកគ្នាលែងនិយាយអ្នកគ្នាអើយហើយសម្រាប់គ្នាយើងអ្នកដែលលេងជាមួយនឹង Honor King ដែលរកកន្លែងដាក់តុកកាន់តែមានតម្លៃសមរម្យនិងសុវត្ថិភាពគឺអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអាចមកដាក់ជាមួយនឹងខ្ញុំបានមិនថាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាចង់ដាក់ពេជ្រ Mobile Legends ពេជ្រ Free Fire UC PUBG ឬក៏អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាចង់ដាក់ជាមួយនឹង Roblox អីទេអ្នកគ្នាគឺអាចមកដាក់ជាមួយនឹងខ្ញុំបានដោយគ្រាន់តែឆាតចូលមកក្នុង Facebook page របស់ខ្ញុំមកឬក៏អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអាចទៅដាក់ដោយខ្លួនឯងក៏បានដែរគឺដាក់តាមរយៈ website របស់ខ្ញុំផ្ទាល់តែម្ដងដែលមានឈ្មោះថា Virtual Store ខ្ញុំបន្ទាប់ពី review ទៅលើ skin ហ្នឹងហើយគឺខ្ញុំទៅរៀនលេង Nacha អ្នកគ្នា hero ហ្នឹងគឺខ្ញុំឃើញយូរហើយប៉ុន្តែមិនដែរចាប់អារម្មណ៍ទៅលេងនិយាយស្មោះត្រង់ទៅ hero Nacha ហ្នឹងគឺខ្ញុំបានលេង2ទៅ3ដងទេគឺអត់ដែរសូវលេងទេអ្នកគ្នាលេងតែ hero ផ្សេងអញ្ចឹងណាប៉ុន្តែដល់ពេលឃើញគេ collab ជាមួយនឹង skin បែបហ្នឹងចេញមកគឺអូយដឹងទៅរៀនលេងឯអ្នកគ្នាហើយយើងមើលជាមួយនឹង recall របស់គេអ្នកគ្នាអូ recall របស់គេដូចមាន teleport អ្នកគ្នាអូយខ្ជូតខ្លាំងមែនអូយមានកូនអើយអែមជាមួយនឹង recall អ្នកគ្នាអូយនិយាយមែនលយកប់ហ្មងអូយអានេះគេលក្ខណៈថាបែបខ្ជូតទេអ្នកគ្នានិយាយទៅគឺកប់ខ្លាំងមែនទែនឥឡូវយើងមកមើល skin បន្ទាប់វិញម្ដងហើយអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាគ្រាន់តែឃើញតួអង្គមួយនេះខ្ញុំជឿថាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាប្រកាសជាស្គាល់ព្រោះដោយសារតែរឿង Nacha នេះចេញមកគឺផ្ទុះ view ខ្លាំងមែនទែនអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអញ្ចឹង hero មួយនេះគឺជា hero អាវពីងអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដែល hero ហ្នឹងគឺគេ collab គ្នាជាមួយនឹង hero អាវ Yin និយាយទៅខុសតែកតុយឯអ្នកគ្នាមួយអាវពីងមួយអាវ Yin អ្នកគ្នាមើលតែរៀងអ្នកគ្នាអូ clip boy មកអ្នកគ្នាអូយស្អាតខ្លាំងមែនទែនជាមួយនឹងការ collab មួយនេះមើលជាតិហើយបើ skill effect វិញលែងនិយាយអ្នកគ្នាគឺដូចដែលបានឃើញយើងអ្នកគ្នាជាមួយនឹង skill effect គឺកប់ខ្លាំងមែនទែនអូប្រែកាឡាននេះអីមើលអូយអែមមកអ្នកគ្នាអើយនិយាយទៅជាតិខ្លាំងមែនទែនអ្នកគ្នាខ្ញុំនឹងនិយាយត្រែអញ្ចឹងអ្នកគ្នាគឺជាតិខ្លាំងមែនទែនយើងមើលជាមួយនឹង skill effect គេគឺស្អាតខ្លាំងមែនតើអ្នកនរគ្នាហើយខ្ញុំចង់បញ្ជាក់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបន្តិច hero គឺឈ្មោះ Aojin ហើយ skin គេ collab ហ្នឹងគឺឈ្មោះ Ao Ping កុំឲ្យច្រឡំអញ្ចឹងណាគីឡូតែអូច្រឡំគ្នាទៅ hero ឈ្មោះ Ao Ping skin ឈ្មោះ Aojin វិញអញ្ចឹងណាអានេះខ្ញុំបញ្ជាក់ឲ្យស្រួលយល់អ្នកគ្នាហើយយើងមើលទៅអ្នកគ្នាអើយជាមួយនឹងនាគនេះគឺ กรอบสรีมองเนี่ยคะแนนอันนี้สกิลกับเคเนี่ยคะแนนเนี่ยโอ้อาเปเผอสกิลทอมปะนะคืออัดเมียนนี่เตเนี่ยคะแนนอัดเมียนจะมวยรุกเนี่ยเตเป็นแต่เบอร์คัมโบคะแนนคือจะรุกเนี่ยเยอะมองเนี่ยคะแนนอีโดยจะเมียนรุกเนี่ยหรือก็ยังเบิ่มเคยยังนะเนี่ยคะแนนในสกิลคัมโบเว้เนี่ยnè ta khá ơi hero nó có chỉ bọc hết hero marksman này nè khá ai hero muốn nắng Nesha nó ai giờ từ lên trang gò các bạn lên EHP các bạn nè ôi skill combo cứ lên chơi nè kháแต่skill combo nàyได้เคยแต่ปีป้อเนี่ยkhá man ปีป้อ man อาจจะป้อ heal เชียมอ่ะอ๋อในป้อ heal เชียมเนี่ยป้อไหนป้อ heal เชียมปวดซาเฮโร่นั่งเบอร์ตามยำจำเฮโร่บอสินบอเวียมองได้จะมีใบปัวปัวตะเกาะนั่งมวยปัวเฮเชียมวยมวยปัวไปเจนยิเมกปัวกับหอมนั่งเบอร์ตามยำจำมาไปตายจะปัวสกินเปย์กันแล้วมองได้จะบัดมาปัวเนี่ยโอ้โหจะยุกเนี่ยซาหน้าเนี่ยเอ้ยจะปูเฮโร่เอาปิงนั่งก็โดยจมูกนั่งเฮโร่เนชาได้เนี่ยคะแนนอยู่จะล้อมคะแนนเนี่ยแต่ไหลคือเกลุโดยคะแนนเนี่ยคะแนนคือเกลุขนมดำไหลผมบุญร้อยกายสับตบกันเนี่ยคะแนนไฮสกินนั่งคือจะประเภทสกินลีจันลิมิทิตเนี่ยคะแนนคืออัดเมียนเอายังเถอะแต่บางในขนมอีวันไอเทเนี่ยคะแนนคือเกดลุในขนมช็อปปันใต้ในขนมอมลงเปได้เกดลุนั่งคือเกเมียนเปกันนัดบาเกอย่างนั้นนะเปอร์เซ็นต์จะยังติงอัดตอนคือยังแรงติงกายเลยเนี่ยคะแนนใหญ่เต๋อจมปูสกินลิมิทิตคือเนี่ยแต่เนี่ยดังไงในอัลติเมทบักเก้เนี่ยคันนี้โอ้อัลติเมทนั่งดูจะมีอัดสไปกับหอมนู้นหนึ่งโอ้โยเลยเนี่ยคันนี้สไปกับหอมมาเดี๋ยวสไปชอบคลุนเหรอเราไปปลายกระดาษชิ้นนี้ตั้งมือตั้งวิชอบมือนึงเนี่ยตั้งไหนเหรอโอ้ยคลังเหมือนเดิมใหญ่ตั้งเนี่ยได้เจี๋ยได้เอาปิงจะlàmเอาปิงเอายินโอ้จะlàmคันนี้โบชั่วโมงกระตุยเข้าคันนี้มันตีเนี่ยคันนี้มือตั้งเตรียมตัดลุยเลยเนี่ยคันนี้เอ้ยคือสะอาดคลังเหมือนเดิมแต่เบิดได้ไอยินจมูกนั่งนาจ้ายมสลายสกินนาจ้าเยอะเนี่ยคันนี้ปวดสกินนาจ้าเวียเห็นชูเจียงอย่างนั้นนะแต่เบอร์สัญญาปีสำรักคือสะอาดด้วยคันนี้ยังว่าแท้สกินบอลนาจ้าเวียไปกับมันจะหมายชูได้เนี่ยคันนี้ยังมือตนาดาเกเนี่ยคันนี้โอ้อันนี้ก็แอคชั่นเนี่ยคันนี้แอคชั่นแต่สกินบอลหนาจ้าโดยเฉพาะตอนเคยมีประหารแอคชั่นนะแต่แอคชั่นนี่คือสารเนี่ยมือแต่ในรีคอลมารีคอลสตัดเนื้ออย่างพร่ำเนี่ยท่านนี่เจียดพลังเหม็นแทนเนี่ยท่านนี่เลยโอเคจังแบบบอลจมูกอย่างสกินแคลปอย่างปีนั้นคือมีแต่ปนังเตะเนี่ยท่านนี่ให้สมัยท่านนี่ยังเนี่ยได้ทุสนาวิดีโอเนี่ยมารีคอลไงไม่ recall ไว้สต็อปลังโอ้ลอยไหมโอ้ลอยครั้งเหมือนเต้นเนี่ยนะครับนี่เอ้ยจะสมัยนี้ยังเนี่ยได้มาทำไมหรือเนี่ยจ้าได้มันต่อมาช่วย subscribe ในเลย YouTube channel บางยมเต้ก็เพื่อช่วย subscribe เนี่ยมวยพ้องให้ก็เพื่อช่วย share วิดีโอเนี่ยบานเจริญแต่แม้นี้ยังบานเคยปีสกินกระแลบมวยลิพองได้บทสารพิษาครั้งเหมือนเต้นเนี่ยเนี่ยหากบันเจียนเนี่ยแต่ก็เนี่ยทุกสนามวิดีโอเนี่ยในช่อง Facebook page บางยมก็เพื่อ follow page บางยมเนี่ยมวยพ้องนะไปตัวบางการอัปเดตใหม่ๆประทามติดให้ยังจำจุกนี้ในวิดีโอกล่าวบ๊ายบาย